About this item: the mill drill machine with drilling, milling groove, plain milling, chamfering and other functions, suitable for all kinds of metal, wood and other materials, fine processing, widely used in machinery manufacturing, woodworking, DIY and so on. Machine head tilt, spindle incline angle, plus or minus 90 degree, the nose can actually rotate 360 degrees, spindle taper, R8, max drilling diameter, 0.9, 25 mm, distance from spindle to table, 13.8, 350 mm, spindle stroke, 2, 52 mm, table size, 27.5 * 7.1, 700 mm * 180 mm, 1100W strong power. The Benchtop mill/drill machine with 1100W brushless motor, infinitely variable speed, the range of spindle speeds, 502250 RPM. The mill drill machine is equipped with high precision milling chuck set MT3. Clamping range, 4 to 3, 5 to 4, 6 to 5, 8 to 7, 10-9, 12-11, 14-13, 16-15. Spindle high precision feed, one-piece steel handle bar, hand wheel adjustment with fine adjustment switch, high precision machining, accurate to 0.01 mm, widened working table, 27.5 7.1,